to bilang helping hand sa akin para makagraduate ako.
Gusto ko rin po talaga maging parte at gusto ko rin mag-volunteer yung sarili ko para sa ibang tao.
'Cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love.
Congratulations po sa mga scholars natin na nag-graduate. Palakpakan po ulit ang inyong mga sarili.
Be love.
We're so glad to see you once again. Naalala niyo pa ba yung last year? Bagong scholars kayo nun. And now, kayo ay mga bagong graduates!
So what GT Foundation gave me isn't just a financial aid, but they gave me the trust and opportunity that they've invested for my future.
Pasalamatan din natin yung aming founder, the late group chairman, Dr. George SKT, at yung T-Family dahil yung scholarship program na naging kayo yung mga beneficiaries.
Part of the GT Foundation, we are here to pay it forward. Pagmamalasakit sa kapwa na kaya nating ibigay at patuloy na tutulong sa mas nangangailangan. Maraming salamat, GT Foundation. For the GT family, maraming salamat sa mga natutunan, mga naging aral, at patuloy na pagtataguyod sa aming mga eskolar at patuloy na naniniwala sa aming mga kakayahan. Patuloy po kaming mangangako na tutulong sa mas nangangailangan.
Truly, these Reapers Harvest reminds us that every seed of kindness will one day bear fruit, and that harvest is meant to be shared.
It's the best day ever.
Bravo! GT Scholar kami!
Day ever. It's the best day.
To GTFI, thank you for believing in me and many other students like me. It taught me the importance of giving back, the value of perseverance, faith, and gratitude.
Even call my mama, I can tell her everything around me's going peace.
We are given opportunity. The opportunity that not everyone will be able to encounter. Not everyone are given the chance to become scholars.
Dito rin naman po kami to offer our help as return sa pinakita nilang kindness sa amin.
As a summa cum laude graduate, I carry with not just the honor but the lessons of resilience, faith, and gratitude.
I can't imagine anything better. Whatever, it's the best day. Nowhere to be, nothing.
I will surely bring or carry with me the forces that the GT Foundation have taught us wherever I go in my everyday life.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day
Fuego Titans! I am proud GT Scholar! Animo Lasal!
ever. All my friends are hanging out together. Look outside and I see perfect weather. I can't imagine anything better. Whatever, it's the best day.
To my fellow scholars, Batch Tanglao, I wish all of us a brighter future ahead. Let's continue to carry the lessons and values that we have learned here.
It's the best day ever.